Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel How to Guide. On today's video, I'm going to show you how to hide a location on Bigo Live. It's very quick and easy, so let's get started. First, you have to open the Bigo Live app on your phone. If you don't have the app yet, you can get it from Google Play Store or the Apple App Store. Once you do that, launch the app and on your screen at the bottom, you can see there's live, video, go live, chats and me. Select me. Now on the top right corner there are two options, your user or settings. Tap on settings and now you have to find privacy right below bind your email option. Tap on it and at the top you can see there's hide location. After turning this on, your location won't appear in profile or live notification. And guys, that's it. That's how you hide a location on Bigo Live. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Leave a comment, subscribe to our channel and hit that bell icon. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.